Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today we're gonna do a quick comparison review between these two guys. This is the Shirogorov Custom Division F95 and this is also a Custom Division but F3. So main difference is that this guy is a frame lock and F3 is a liner lock. So, liner lock means that there's two liners right over here with scales on the outside. Whereas the frame lock is just this one, like invented by Chris Reeve, where the handle itself has been cut out over here to create like a lock bar, which has been bent in order to hit the tank of the blade and keep the blade in the open position. So pretty different construction, even if both are quite simple in the construction. Like as you can see, they both have two screws mainly to disassemble the guy. And one difference is that this screw on the F95 is shallower than the one on the F3, which is, exactly the same as this one on the other side, whereas on this one is just flat and this is not. Also another difference is that these scales are sporting like the Shirogorov logo engraved right over here, whereas on this one there's no trace of that. You have of course your Custom Division logo, which resembles the outlines of the bear, and as well you're gonna have your Custom Division logo right over here. Also something different between these two guys is the steel employed. This is S90V and this is a Vanax 35, so high nitrogen content for this bad boy. If we check the also the handle, you see, of course, this is, an inlay. This is just a full-on scale. But they share the same shape. The outer shape is the same. If you check, like the jimping on the flipper tab, it's different. You have same number of grooves, but spaced out a little bit more on the F95, a little bit close together for the F3. Also stock thickness, it is relatively similar, sorry, like this, but the F3, it's a tad thicker. In fact, this reflects also in the thickness of the handle. Beside the fact that the F3 it's a liner lock, you see that it's thicker because it also has a beefier blade. Also another difference is that the F3 it's sporting like a titanium backspacer with some geared jimping going on and a built-in lanyard hole, which is a beautiful design. For the F95 you have the option of the lanyard, but it's just milled out through the presentation scale. So just a slight difference right there. Also something different, it's gonna be the jimping in the handle. F3 is sporting this much finer and I would say more elegant jimping going on, and the F95 has a more like pronounced geared and a little bit more aggressive jimping right there. Both have like a relief cut for right here for your index finger when you're gonna flip the blade, so the blade is your fingertip, it's not gonna land like in an area like this, but it's more recessed and it's gonna be more pleasant to your finger. Both are sporting some mirror polished flats over here, as you can see, and they have the same very fine vapor blast kind of finish for the main grind. So they're both beautiful. Something else to check out as a difference, it's the pocket clip. So pocket clip has the main philosophy, all right? So Shirogorov clips are beautiful, I think, because they have only one side over here in contact with the lock scale, all right? So you see, like maybe you see better here. So this tapers down like this, and only this side makes contact with the scale. This other side is open, so it has much bigger relief. And if you see the angles, guys, this is a little bit like going down, so not really like a clip ramp present, but it's both super solid, nice springy, and they're not gonna let you down, and they're gonna keep the knife safely in your pocket. So yeah, so there you have it. This was just a quick comparison review between the F95 and the F3, both from Shirogorov Custom Division. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.